Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report an account or tweet on Twitter or X. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open the X or Twitter application in your mobile. And as you can see, these are some tweets here. So let's say I have to report this tweet. So you just have to simply tap on these three dots beside the name of the person, and then you can see these options here. You can see this report post. You have to tap on it. So I'm not going to report this tweet. I'm just going to tell you for the demonstration here, and then you can see what type of issues are you reporting, like what the problem you are facing of this tweet. And this tweet is spreading some hate, abuse and harassment, violent speech, child safety, privacy, or anything like that. Let's say it's about hate. You have to choose this subcategory and then tap on submit, and this tweet will be reported. Now, how you can report an account? You just have to tap on the profile icon of the person or the name, and it will land you on that specific account. You have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and the last option is report. Just simply tap on it, and again, as you can see, the same options. You have to choose the category and then tap on next, and then choose the subcategory and tap on next and submit, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.